you. Welcome back to the another episode of Carbon Custom. So today we review an walk-around video of this lighting McQueen 1x64 cars. Actually, this is not a new model. Actually, this is a scrap model which I buy from market. So you can see the car is fully detailed with a Lightning McQueen car. And if you see this car in Cars movie like Cars 1, Cars 2, Cars 3 and recently launched Cars 4, you can see inside there is a piston cup logo, RPM logo. Sorry, camera is not justify this logo, but the detail is very is stick in this car. Like you can see 95 livery in this cars, and here in rear you can see this is logo with original car. And you can see the front, the look is very original with real car. Inside pictures you can see the realisticness of this car. And you can see in hood there is again Rusty logo over here, and the alloy is plastic alloy in this cars, and the body is metal, is built from metals. Going on back, you can see there is a huge spoiler which is spectful for drag, because this is a NASCAR. You can see in movie this car is participating in NASCAR race. That's why this car is made like this. In rear no any headlights details in this car, and in the real also the no any headlights in this car. Basically this is a animated car, so that's why we purchased this car and in adding our collection. And planning to restore this car, because you can see in the video little bit color are fade or removed from the body. So let's plan to make this McQueen in new livery. If you see the interior is not detailed. This is only like stickers for windows and front sheets, so no any details in this car. And now you can see inside, you can clearly visible the piston cup logo and RPM circuit logo. So overall car is very nice, so that's why I purchase and plan to add this car in my collections. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. So bye guys.